Welcome back. Happy to have you here on the channel where it's always game time. Today I'm going to open a box of 2017 Upper Deck Future Stars Baseball. I opened a box of 2006. I'm not sure if I've posted that video. I'm pretty sure I already did. And I just had a ton of fun. That one had like 6 autographs. I think it was supposed to have 4 or 5, and it had 6. This one's supposed to have 4. And honest to God, cannot remember exactly who the best rookies are to look for from 2007. My memory's not that good, and I wasn't collecting in 2007, so this will just be a nice surprise for me. You may already know, or maybe you don't. Maybe you'll be surprised too. There are 24 packs in this box, 4 cards per pack, and yep, let's get into it. I don't know, the 2006 version had vet cards in it as well. I don't know if this is all rookies or if there are vets in here too. We will find out. I was happy that the 2006 did have vets. It gave me some recognizable names. And all the autographs were just about, all of them were good. There were really nice numbered parallels. I don't know if this box can be as good as that one, but we're about to find out. Let's check them out. I think I remember the look of these cards. Yeah, I do. I've had some of these. I don't know how, but I have. Ryan Zimmerman. They're sticking a little bit. And Johnny Damon. So there are vets here. Chris Duncan and Rafael Furcal. So his rookie was, looks like 2002. Matt Cain and Troy Glaus, Bobby Abreu, and Justin Morneau. Not a single rookie card yet in Future Stars Baseball, so that's funny. Zach Duke. Here is one. Alejandro De Aza, numbered to 999. Rookie dated debuts. Nice foil card there. Torrey Hunter and Roy Oswalt. Wow, these are some names I definitely remember. I may not have been buying cards then, but I was definitely watching baseball. Jake Peavy. Andy LaRoche. Andy LaRoche. Don't remember him. Rookie autograph for the Dodgers. It doesn't tell much in the way of stats or any player information, so I'll have to see if look him up online, see if that sparks my memory. Aramis Ramirez and Chipper Jones, 2 good players there. Chipper, of course, being the better of the 2. Michael Young. Next autograph is Brandon Wood. I do remember Brandon Wood, I think. These are good looking cards, although they're sticker autos that go over words where it says Future Stars, and that makes it look kind of cluttered. So these are not nearly as nice as the acetate autos from 2006. Here's Adam Dunn and Jeff Francoeur. Gilmesh, Greg Maddux. Oof, card's damaged, but I wolfed at seeing him. I completely forgot that he was on the Padres for a little while. That's crazy. I'll always remember him on the Braves. Rocco Baldelli and John Smoltz. Just like it was weird when Glavine went to the Mets. That seems so strange. Carlos Beltran and a Carlos Gomez to $9.99. Nick Johnson, and Ichiro. Vladimir Guerrero. I started to say Guerrero. Sorry, these are sticking together. David Ortiz, Jason Giambi, and Nomar Garciaparra. It's a good pack. Definitely recognizable names there. Mark Teixeira. What is this? 2 for the bigs. Kerry Costo and Jesus Flores. I do not know either of those players. This is numbered to 999. Scott Kazmir and Freddy Sanchez. Emil Brown, a Matt Chico auto for the Nationals. It's different than the others, but doesn't appear to be numbered anywhere. Good old Matt Chico. Johan Santana and Aaron Harang. So that's 3 autographs, none of which are like crazy good. So hopefully we get one good one out of this. CC Sabathia, although this box did not cost a bunch of money. So Richie Sexton, Ivan Rodriguez, and Derek Lee. It's more fun, the experience of just remembering some of these names and players. Carlos Delgado, Mark Tian, I remember him, but obviously can't remember how to pronounce his name. Carlos Lee and Griffey. The kid played just as well as he ever has during May 2007. Griffey rarely took a swing at a pitch he didn't approve of in that month and ended up with 10 big flies. That's pretty neat. The way they've written those little excerpts on the back. That's a nice touch. Paul Konerko, he was one of my favorite players of all time. 2 for the bigs, Michael Bourne and Joseph Bacinus. I can barely read the names on here. They're dark and black there. I hated when Konerko left the Dodgers, but I still liked him a lot. Roy Halladay and Howie Kendrick when he went to the Sox. You don't just stop liking somebody because they changed teams. And truthfully, when Piazza left the Dodgers and went to the Mets, I just became a Mets fan too. Connor Jackson, Justin Verlander, Barry Zito, and Matt Holliday. Of course, I live in a state that doesn't have a major league team, so I'm free to like whoever I wish. Alright. Of course, I guess everybody is, but I would assume most people support their hometown team if they have one. A lot of people here like the Braves, but not me so much. Kurt Schilling, although they cycle through players. Billy Butler, that's not bad, to 500. He had a couple of good seasons. John Garland and Dontrelle Willis. Miguel Tejada, Travis Hafner, Victor Martinez, and Jason Bay. Alfonso Soriano, a Ryan Sweeney autograph. That name sounds familiar. Ryan Sweeney. Jared Weaver and Manny Ramirez. So that's all the autos, unless we get a bonus auto, which I guess could happen. Brandon Webb. It said pull an average of 4. Albert Pujols, Vernon Wells, and Derek Jeter. These names tell me that 2007 was a good year to be watching baseball. Prince Fielder, another good name. Alright, let's see if I can read these names. Ryan Braun and Joaquin Soria. Yeah, okay. That's a little bit better. Ray Durham and Todd Helton. Nick Swisher, Jose Reyes, Nick Markakis, and David Wright, who I had seriously considered PCing and started to even, but gosh, he's hurt all the time. He just, so much potential, but he just doesn't play enough. He hasn't played enough. It's really maddening. Grady Sizemore, a Carl Crawford parallel to 99. Andrew Jones and Jimmy Rollins. I say it's maddening. It's maddening, I'm sure, for him as well. Brian Roberts. Oh, an extra auto. Justin Hampson. So that's 5. Lance Berkman and Carl Crawford. 2 more packs. Where are we at? 11 minutes? Not too bad. I knew even though it had a lot of packs, it doesn't have a lot of cards per pack. Adrian Gonzalez, Ian Kinsler, Joe Mauer, and Chase Utley. And our last pack. Juan Pierre, Garrett Atkins, Magglio Ordonez, and Felix Hernandez. So let's do a little tiny recap. This is, because I'm OCD, I like to stack the cards. Quite a few base cards, as to be expected. These are the numbered inserts and parallels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we ended up with 5 autographs instead of 4. The Justin Hampson, Ryan Sweeney, Matt Chico, Brandon Wood, and Andy LaRoche. That's it, guys. Like I said, this box wasn't that much, so I don't know. Still, I don't know if the value's there. The no-name autographs, you know, kind of kill it. Really, you've got to get at least one good autograph, you know, for the value to really be there. And truthfully, that's not a very large number of inserts and parallels compared to base cards. So even at that price, I probably wouldn't buy another one of these. But it was fun. It was fun to see the names of the players. And yeah, clearly 2007 was a pretty exciting season. Lots of top players were playing then. So it was a nice walk down memory lane. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Be sure you're subscribed in the first 100, so when I do the drawing for the Amazon gift code, movie box of cards, you're entered. All you have to do is be subscribed at the point that we hit 100, and you're in. So thanks. Hope everybody is having a great week. Take care.